telecast sharing their views. And let's shift our focus to some other news. The CBIZ Inc., a leading professional services advisor to the US-based middle market businesses, has completed the acquisition of India-based BINS Consulting Private Limited. The move marks a significant milestone in CBIZ's global growth strategy and strengthens its push to build a more integrated international organization. Let's go across to my colleague who has spoken to Managing Director Sirish Korada, who's the COO Maninder Singh.
I have with me the Managing Director and the CEO of BINS Consultancy, Mr. Sirish Korada. Sir, to start with, can you tell something about this company that you started in 2024 and how has this been going on? I heard that the employees from zero to more than 300 it has become. So tell us something about your company.
Sure. Hi, I'm Sirish Korada. I am the MD and CEO of BINS Consulting. We started our firm in 2024, in June 2024, and we headquartered in Bangalore. We are a firm that's a global capability center. We basically provide skills, capabilities, and our incredible talent to US companies in the field of accounting, tax, advisory, and other services as such. We've had immense growth. You're absolutely right. We've grown from 0 to 300 plus in a span of 18 months. And I think the reason for the growth is basically we have an amazing talent pool of chartered accountants, and some kids who have not had those opportunities compared to our IT colleagues. So we wanted to be different, and we wanted to create a GCC which is not focused just on IT, but focused on all the other tier 1 and tier 2 kids who've done accounting and commerce background. Okay. So we've differentiated ourselves in terms of what services we deliver. Okay.
Yeah. Mr. Sirish, my next question would be: India continues to be rising as a global talent destination. Yeah. So how is your concept of GCC going to be propelled? Yeah.
Yes. So I think it's the word GCC is now being used everywhere. Even the government is recognizing it, and that's because we have an amazing talent pool and a young and diverse talent pool. So with the rising India, our kids now are aspiring not just nationally but globally. The education is reaching to tier 2, tier 3 towns and helping create so many opportunities for them. So our population dividend, our skills and capabilities, and the fact that we want to be the top 5 nations in the world, I think that drive and hunger is really pushing the next destination. And one of the drivers of that is global capability centers.
Okay. Mr. Sirish, why is this bridging between this academia and the industry gap such a core part of this of your strategy?
Absolutely. So academia teaches you a lot of theory and theoretical skills which create the foundation for any good student. What the industry is doing is taking those great foundations that are built and creating and training them for what the world needs. So taking it from national to global, right? Not only from a skill set point of view, but education, capabilities, but most importantly, creating opportunities so our kids, have confidence when they deliver overseas.
Okay. So we know that, there is Prime Minister pushing for this Atmanirbhar. Yeah. So when we see this firm of yours, how is it going to keep up with that standard?
Absolutely. The leading firms in the world are the big 4, right? And they're global firms. We align very well with the Atmanirbhar mission, and we believe in Prime Minister Modi's vision, because the question we ask ourselves is, why cannot we from India have companies set up here that are global companies servicing clients across the globe, but be headquartered in India and be proud Indian? So it is creating opportunities for our next generation, our youth, and servicing the world. So that is how we align with the Atmanirbhar campaign.
Okay. So one final question from me. So this is about the existing geopolitical situation there. There's a lot of issues going around between countries, and now the immigration policies in USA, like you see, the H-1B visa issue in India. So how do we see your company taking all these challenges, and like how is it doing any good to people who are employed in US while remotely being in India? Like how do you see that?
Yeah, to be honest, this is a little personal question as well, because I myself went overseas, did my education, worked in Australia for over 15 years and came back. So I completely understand, the perspective on both sides. Look, every challenge creates opportunities as well, and everybody's focusing on the challenge, but what is the opportunity? The opportunity is now the skills and capabilities and this global talent has created experience and exposure across the globe can come back and create the companies of the future in India. We are putting a drop in the ocean and trying this, because it's not about sending people or offshoring, or onshoring. It's about offshoring now, right? And if we can create companies that can drive that, can build on the skills and create jobs for the future, why would anybody need an H-1B? The jobs are here, the opportunities here, and the potential for significant growth is here. So we embrace the challenge, and we'd like to work around that and create a solution for our youth here.
Okay. That was the Managing Director and the Chief